In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an ad on Dubizzle. Whether you're selling an item or offering a service, this walkthrough will take you from your first tap to a live listing people can find and contact you about. Start by opening the Dubizzle app on your phone or heading to the website in your browser. Make sure your internet connection is stable so you don't lose progress while filling things out. Next, log into your account. This ensures your ad is tied to the right profile and that you can receive messages and track views once it's live. Once you're in, look for the Post Ad button. Tap or click it to begin. You'll be asked to choose a category. Pick the one that best matches what you're listing because the right category helps your ad appear in the correct searches and filters. After that, select the most accurate subcategory. Being precise here saves time for buyers and boosts your visibility. Add a clear, informative title for your ad. Keep it short, specific, and honest, focusing on the key details a buyer cares about, like the brand, model, and condition. Then enter the item details. Fill out every relevant field you see, such as condition, specifications, size, color, included accessories, and how you prefer to handle delivery or pickup. The more accurate and complete your details are, the more confident buyers will feel. Set your price. Take a moment to consider the current market and indicate if your price is fixed or negotiable when that option is available. Transparent pricing attracts serious leads. Upload clear photos. Use good lighting, capture multiple angles, and avoid cluttered backgrounds. Show any flaws honestly, and don't include personal documents or anything that reveals private information in your images. Add your location so nearby buyers can find you more easily. Choose the correct city or neighborhood for accurate search results. Then enter your contact details. Double check that everything is correct and select your preferred way to be contacted. Before publishing, review your ad information carefully. Proofread the title and description, confirm the photos look sharp, and make sure the price, location, and contact details are accurate. When everything looks good, click Post Now or Publish. Your ad will be submitted for review. All you need to do is wait for ad approval. Keep an eye on your notifications, and once it's approved, your listing will be live and ready for buyers to discover.